You know what is so funny? Every week I walk into these shiny modern Dubai kitchens. The glossy cabinets, the touch to open doors, the strip lights, the waterfall islands. All are so polished. And yes, they photograph beautifully. They look like a magazine cover. But the moment you actually use them, real cooking, real groceries, real life, you suddenly realize we have removed half the things that made the kitchens functional in the first place. Somewhere between minimalism and Instagram ready. But we sacrificed practicality. We cut out features that generations before us used every single day. We should rely on those, right? Because of the experiences. And now we are struggling with the clutter, mess, lack of storage, and a daily kitchen routine that feels way harder than it should. And today I want to bring back some of those forgotten heroes. Not because they are nostalgic, not because they are vintage or cute, but because they work. They make life easier. They make the kitchen feel like home again. This is going to be a long, deep, cozy conversation. One of those designer style videos you play in the background while cooking dinner or dreaming of your next renovation. So let's get into it. Number one, the real walk in pantry. So let's just be honest. Most of the pantries we see today are not pantries. They are just tall cabinets pretending to be one. A real pantry is a room, a breathing space, a place where the chaos disappears and the kitchen feels like a showroom again. Whenever I create a walk-in pantry for a client, even a tiny 1 meter nook, the reaction is the same. Why didn't we do this earlier? Because that space absorbs everything, not normally clutters your countertop. The coffee pots, the cereal boxes, the backup oils, the spices, and the ugly blenders. You walk in, you grab what you need, you leave, and the kitchen stays calm. Older homes had this. Then the builders deleted it for budget and aesthetics. But trust me, if you want that peaceful, clean, organized kitchen life, you have to bring the pantry back. Even the smallest micro pantry is a life upgrade. I have seen it with every Dubai renovation. The moment the pantry goes in, the stress goes down. Number two, a small desk nook inside the kitchen. Remember when every kitchen had a little desk, a place where you write recipes, check your messages, organize your bills, leave notes for the kids. We don't have that anymore. No, the keys are on the countertop. The chargers are tangled next to the toaster. The school papers are buried under the fruit bowl. A desk nook isn't old fashioned, it's smart. It's the control center of the home. When families tell me their kitchens feel messy, I directly ask one question: where is your drop zone? And 90% of the time, there is none. Because today, a kitchen desk solves this instantly. And it looks beautiful when it's done right. A little pocket of calm inside the busiest room in the house. So don't wait it, bring it back. If you are trying to renovate your home recently, just take into consideration. Number three, the appliance garage, the savior of countertops. This one is my personal obsession because nothing kills the aesthetic of the modern kitchen faster than 10 different appliances sitting out like they pay their rent. In the past, kitchens had dedicated appliance garage, small cabinets with roll up or sliding doors, where everything could live and be used inside. But today we have air fryers, coffee machines, blenders, kettlers, toasters, juices everywhere. And of course, there is a one place. They all ended up crowding the countertop. So, if you want a functional and minimalist kitchen, And appliance garage is non-negotiable. Every time I reintroduce an appliance garage in renovation, clients look at me like show them magic. And trust me, there is no magic, just something we forgot existed. Number 4. Open plate racks, form and function. Plate racks are not farmhouse, they are functional. When you plate your food daily, the last thing you want is to open a cabinet. A plate rack lets you grab exactly what you need instantly. And of course, visually, it softens a modern kitchen. It adds depth, warmth, and texture. Designers today hide everything behind slab fronts and forget that kitchens need personality. A plate rack gives the kitchen a human touch without making it messy. So we need them, especially above wet zones or prep zones. Number 5. The bread drawer, the most underrated feature. Let's be real, we all have that one chaotic bread corner. Buns, wraps, and bagels. And of course, croissants. All in one giant plastic bag. A built-in bread drawer eliminates that mess instantly. It keeps everything fresh, hidden, and accessible. This feature disappeared quietly, and I don't know why. To be honest, it solves a very real daily problem in every family kitchen. And don't forget, if you are renovating, please add it. You will thank yourself every single morning. Number 6. The second utility sink. Not every kitchen task belongs in the main sink. Some things need their own space. Washing vegetables, filling pots, dealing with messy things, preparing fish, cleaning fruits. All the kitchens understood that. They had a prep sink or utility sink. Unfortunately, today everything happens in one oversized, glamorous sink. And guess what? It gets overwhelmed. A second small sink transforms the workflow. Your prep here, wash there. And also, two people can work at the same time. The kitchen feels smoother. This is one of those features homeowners don't ask for. But when they experience it, they can't live without it. Number 7. The pass-through window, the best of both worlds. Before open plan took over the world, kitchens used to have pass-through window connecting them to the dining or living room. And honestly, it's brilliant. You don't lose wall space, but you still stay connected. Especially in smaller apartments, where you want opens without all the smell and noise drifting everywhere. A pass-through feels cozy, social, and practical. It makes serving easier. It makes family conversations happen naturally. We need them back, but with a modern twist. Clean, minimal, and elegant. Number 8. The pot rail function meets style. There is something satisfying about seeing your tools within reach. Just remember, in old European kitchens, pot rails were normal. Pans, ladles, towels, all within arm's length. But in today's style, we remove them, thinking everything must be hidden. But don't forget, hiding everything often makes cooking slower, harder, and less enjoyable. A pot rail brings back that chef like efficiency. It gives your kitchen a soul, a little bit of character in a world of plain white cabinets. And when styled well, it looks chic, not messy. Number 9. The freestanding pantry cabinet. Before built-in cabinetry dominated the market, people used big freestanding cupboards, like pieces of furniture with personality. Here is the thing. Today, they still work beautifully. They are perfect for renters. And they are perfect for adding warmth and calm. And they store an insane amount of items, often more than built-ins. And we need to bring them back as statement pieces. Number 10. The kitchen table, the heart of the home. The kitchen table is one of the most emotional losses in modern kitchen. We replace them with giant islands. Yes, they are beautiful, but cold. A table brings softness. It brings conversation. It brings childhood memories. Peeling potatoes with your mom. Doing homework, sharing tea. A table in kitchen changes the whole energy. It makes the kitchen feel like a living space, not a showroom. If you have the space, even for a small one, bring it back. It will transform your home more than any expensive appliance ever could. So, those are the 10 forgotten kitchen features we absolutely need to bring it back. Not because they are trendy, but because they make a real life easier. Your kitchen should support you. It should feel warm, intuitive, and calming. Not like a showroom you're scared to touch. Try bring it back. Even one of these ideas. And I promise you will feel the differences immediately. So, let me know in the comments which one you love the most. I always reply all the questions personally. I am Ceylan. This is Designerist. And if this helped you, hit subscribe and like button because it will help to motivate me and keep the channel grow. I will see you in the next one.